Hello, experts. You know the amazing ways to make money here in Ghana. In today's video, we are going to learn how to start a bread business at home. And Auntie Hannah is going to show us how to make bread at home. We are going to learn how to make sugar bread and how to make tea bread the Ghanaian style. She's going to share her bread recipe with us and take us through the bread making process step by step. We are also going to find out the cost involved starting a bread business and the profit you start to make starting a bread business. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps. Let's get started. Now, so first starting program, what are the things you need? The ingredients. Will start here to make your own bread.
Oh yeah, it's some and margarine, sugar,
Okay, that's
and
sugar bread.
tea no so sugar wo.
Tea and sugar.
Kakra bi. And woman kesi ketu bi. And nutmeg, yeast,
Okay.
flavor,
Okay, flavor na mude.
salt, flavor no vanilla.
Vanilla.
Okay, any kind.
Any kind
Pineapple there, ewo.
Oh, okay. Nti ebe mo use pineapple there. Oh, okay.
And mixed fruit so.
Mixed fruit is so na.
Different type.
Okay.
Flavor no. And salt.
Salt. Okay. And see, how do you start? Ube that started. Ube like you're starting the same. Ube bread you're starting the same.
Ube mesi nneɛma no nyinaa. Nneɛma na ma ɔbɔ den no. Ube mesi no nyinaa aka ato flour no. Bɛhwɛ flour no. Na afei wode nneɛma na ma ɔbɔ den no agu.
The vanilla and the salt. And salt no. Powdered one I say ube.
Then vanilla.
Salt no. Powdered one I say.
Ube mesi any issue.
Any issue. Oh, okay. And you want to make from go straight.
Oh, David.
Ebe say.
Ebe dem baako.
Baako. Oh, okay. Okay, so now what the ones na ebe mix it.
Okay, so machine wɔ hɔ.
Machine
wɔ hɔ a ebe mesi ama.
Oh, okay. Na machine ni hɔ there.
And just say wode wo nsa yɛ.
This is what they design. Oh, okay. So, expert, at this point, we are putting all the dry ingredients together before adding water. And in this bowl, we have flour, milk powder, nutmeg, sugar, and yeast. And that is what we are going to use for the sugar bread. And in the bigger one, we have flour, milk powder, sugar, yeast, and nutmeg. This is what we are going to use for the tea bread. The difference between the tea bread and the sugar bread is the quantity of sugar added. The tea bread has less sugar or small amount of sugar, and after that we'll be adding our margarine. So in this bowl we have our salt solution. That is what she's preparing right now. And as she said earlier, you need to make a salt solution so that the salt can dissolve into the water before using it or adding it to your mixture. That is what we are going to use to form our dough. So we're to use the machine here to knead or to mix the dough, but when we got here the machine is spoiled, so we don't have any other option than to use our hand to mix everything together. After that, we'll give it to the rolling machine to stretch it or knead it well for us. So I'm personally learning how to make bread myself, and the woman came to assist by teaching me how to do the mixing. In fact, I am really enjoying the process of making bread, and soon you hear from me. This is the point you can add your flavor to the dough. At this point, we are adding our flavor, that is the vanilla. We have so many types of flavors. We have bananas, we have pineapple, we have mango, we have so many types. So when it comes to flavor, it depends on what you want. You can use any flavor at all depending on what you want. And say, what makes it now? When then
O mesi wie a na wo de ama ada machine no so a roll ama.
I really. And say, let's say that no machine ho a.
Oh, and you ntimi ye.
Untumi ye kwa. Ebe say, untumi ye ofie.
Oh, mi nye bi da.
Unye bi. Okay.
So the roll so ada machine kura ni ho a. Obetimi de won sabe ye na o da ada machine se ada machine
na etwemu no
enu eni ho de ontimi
ye oh okay nti se ukoye ba na ubeye den biom
na wa bebo.
So the second machine has finished rolling our dough for us. I don't know the name of the machine though, and you can see it's very soft now and easy to work with now. So we are now going to pack everything and send it home for us to continue with our bread making. So guys, let's go home. Yes. Person starting a bread business. How much do you need to start a bread business? Maybe I will oven that and I will baking pans and that. With the ingredients now, but how much do you need to start with?
Okay. You say the person start here now open. Imagine boiled. It's some boiled into at least
1,000 cedis. Okay, but me have to be yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Na bon so mia so. Nti ade na ya mia so no.
Wa mia so ebe bi.
Oh, okay. Yeah, na won said mo ya meat pie na mo di nsuo fa no no say ya na mo di amia. Ma hu say wo ye bi ana no we di bread brodo di enye ne sa. O ye ne sa wa odi wo sa mia keke ne be che. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now nti udi go baking sheet mo say na odi silver. How many minutes e be di ansa na wa bake?
Okay. Let's me calculate here mon but me de gum bese 8 o'clock na.
And you made
8 o'clock. Ade chi 4:30 na wa bake.
Okay. And get your child to baba na two pa. Oh, okay. Okay. So starting and you may now be win and okay. Yeah, that was pa.
Depending so opening so a open temo a opese wo ye na no pa na otu na nyumre so a obe man is bi. We dey obe man is kitu because one man is kitu a be to abuso.
Oh, okay. It is a when one money be brave. Because I would be see one my dear channel. Oh, okay. Okay.
But who person who turn down na dia and the money is
be brave. Oh, okay.
Best 1 hour be there at least. Nice. Yeah, you be do a best 5. The efficient cylinder ni wie na getting to na above 5 and I start here. by 1 hour 30 minutes deɛ na no nyinaa be. Isi adeɛ ebi abe, ebi nso aka kakra bi.
Our bread is ready. So expert, our bread is finally ready. This is our tea bread, looking very beautiful for your morning tea, and our sugar bread looking so delicious. I would also like to cover butter bread for those who want to learn how to make butter bread. Let me know if you agree with me in the comment section, and also let me know which aspect of the video you enjoyed most in the comment section. Is it the business aspect or the process involved? Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up by liking this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to support the channel. Share the video with friends, and also watch the next video YouTube is suggesting to you. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.